Hi guys, so today I have a homemade squishy update number 6 and I really hope you guys will enjoy watching. The first one that I made was this capybara-san head bun and it's the pink one. And it's really thick and the back is tan. This is pretty squishy. Next I made this donut with white crisscross drizzle. And then I actually altered some of my Cafe Dien eclairs. So here's the chocolate one. The maple one. And the strawberry one. Next, I decorated this Hello Kitty donut, and it just has a silver sparkly bow and some frosting and sprinkles, and it's really soft. And it does come with the original tag. Next, I have this blue and white tiled cake. I have these Kawaii Marshmallows on a stick, and this is my own idea, so if you make it, please give me credit if you don't mind, but it just has a light pink marshmallow at the top and then a light blue one at the bottom, and they both have kawaii faces. I made this kawaii popcorn squishy, and it's just got a really cute face, and here's the popcorn at the top. I made these Neapolitan Pocky sticks, so I just have the strawberry one, the chocolate one, and the vanilla one. And these were actually pretty hard to make, but I think they're super cute. Next, I have this super cute Lego squishy, and it's got an adorable face on it, and it's really squishy. Next, I have this chocolate onsen bun squishy, and this is super duper squishy. Next, I have the Sammy Donut Squishy, and it's the framboise one. And I actually showed this in my previous update, but I just repackaged it and added a new tag and ball chain. And the back is really nicely textured. I made this neon pink cake slice, and it just comes with some sprinkles, and it's really soft. Next, I made this Bismilk chocolate squishy, and it comes with a pink strap, and this is super squishy. And I did make a tutorial on this one. Then I made this Uncle Nick's Indie Bakery chocolate croissant, and it has the tag. Next, I made this cupcake squishy, and it comes with a blue cupcake base, and it's a vanilla cupcake with strawberry frosting, whipped cream, and a cherry on top. I have this orange creamsicle ice cream, and it has a bite taken out of it. So there's some vanilla ice cream in the center, and this is pretty soft. I have this Hello Kitty Kickball squishy, and the back has the Nick licensing on it, and this is really soft. the one with the dark chocolate cake on the outside and the strawberry one on the inside. And it's got the tag. Next, I have this Picot custard bun, and this is the one with the yellow custard filling. I have this Meme's Cafe Macaron squishy. And this is the one with the strawberry filling, and it's really cute and soft. Next, I made this really large baguette squishy. So here's the baguette out of the packaging, and it comes with the 3 indents, and it's really nicely shaded and textured. And I did make the packaging myself. And it just says Fresh Bakery, and then it has a cutout right here. Finally, I have this Tokyo Aoyama churro squishy, and it's the chocolate one, and it has powdered sugar on it. And this is super large and really squishy. So these are all the squishies that I made recently, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!